install the optional service stops, and to do that we need to remove the two plugs on the cartridge itself. To do that you'll need a 15mm socket. And at this point, these can just get thrown away. For the service stop, you'll need to install the O-ring. And just slides over and falls into the groove there. And there's one for each, one for hot and one for cold. And these simply get inserted. And a 10mm socket to tighten them up. And these just snap into place. There we go. Line it up. And then you want to back it out. So just, this is where the long socket comes into play. And they'll bottom out, and the clip, the white clip, is what keeps it from pulling all the way out. And it's as simple as that.